during the course of which Anglo-Mysore War Hyder Ali died? A. First Anglo-Mysore War. B. Second Anglo-Mysore War. C. Third Anglo-Mysore War. D. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Answer is Second Anglo-Mysore War. Which Indian ruler accepted the subsidiary alliance initiated Lord Wolseley first? A. The Scindia of Gwalior. B. The Holkars of Indore. C. The Nawab of Oudh. D. Nizam of Hyderabad. Answer is D. Nizam of Hyderabad. Whose philosophical ideas were published in the work Satyarth Prakash? A. Ram Mohan Roy. B. Vivekanand. C. Dayananda Saraswati. D. Sri Narayan Guru. Answer is C. Dayananda Saraswati. Where was the headquarter of the Theosophical Society situated? A. Pune. B. Adyar. C. Calcutta. D. Rishikesh. Answer is B. Adyar. Who wrote the book The Economic History of India into volumes? A. Dadabhai Nauroji. B. Ramesh Chandra Dutt. C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Answer is B. Ramesh Chandra Dutt. Who wrote the book Bhavani Mandir? A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Dinabandhu Mitra. D. Arbindo Ghosh. Answer is D. Arbindo Ghosh. Where did the Indian National Congress adopt the resolution on Fundamental Right and National Economic Program in 1931? A. Karachi. B. Bombay. C. Calcutta. D. Lucknow. Answer is A. Karachi. Which emperor of France said, "I am the Sate"? A. Louis Tief. B. Louis XVI. C. Louis XVI. D. Answer is A. Lo. A. Louis XVIII. Apart from England and France, which country was third member of Triple Entente, formed before the First World War? A. Italy. B. Russia. C. Austria. D. Germany. Answer is B. Russia. Name the country which opposed Germany in the First World War but supported it in the Second World War. A. Spain. B. Italy. C. Japan. D. Russia. Answer is B. Italy. By which amendment of the Indian Constitutional, the terms socialist and secular were inserted in the preamble? A. 42nd. B. 44th. C. 73rd. D. 74th. Answer is A. 42nd. What is the date of the commencement of the Indian Constitution? A. The 26th of January 1948. B. The 26th of November 1949. C. The 26th of January 1950. D. The 15th of August 1949. Answer is C. The right to freedom of religion is contained within which articles of the Constitution of India? A. Article 14 to Article 18. B. Article 19 to Article 22. C. Article 25 to Article 28. D. Article 29 to Article 30. Answer is C. Article 25 to Article 28. Fundamental right in the Indian Constitution have been taken from the A. Russian Constitution. B. The US Constitution. C. The British Constitution. D. Act of 1935. Answer is B. The US Constitution. 80. The maximum permissible strength of the Rajya Sabha is A. 250. B. 260. C. 300. D. 350. Answer is A. 250. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to which of the following? A. President of India. B. Prime Minister of India. C. The Rajya Sabha. D. The Lok Sabha. Answer is D. The Lok Sabha. The Council of Ministers shall not %% of the total numbers of the Assembly of States. A. 12. B. 15. C. 20. D. 25. Answer is B. 15%. Under which article can the Supreme Court issue a writ? A. Article 32. B. Article 131. C. Article 143. D. Article 226. Answer is Article 32. A judge of the Supreme Court of the India may resign from his/her office by writing to A. The Prime Minister. B. The Law Minister. C. The Chief Justice of Supreme Court. D. The President. Answer is D. President.